Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to add Deezer to the sidebar on Opera.jx. Now if you don't have the option to add Deezer, then you need to update your browser to the latest version, because the latest version has added the native support for Deezer, Deezer, in the sidebar. To make sure you set it up correctly, here's what you need to do. Like I said, first make sure your Opera.jx is updated to the latest version, and next you open the sidebar and then you click on the player icon. In case you don't see this player icon, click on the three dots at the bottom here, and then you make sure the player icon is enabled. The next thing you need to do is click on the player icon. You can see Deezer here, so the next thing you need to do is click on it, and then you might need to log into your Deezer account within the Opera.jx sidebar. Once you've done this, you should be able, you need to log in here. So once you've done this, you should be able to access Deezer directly from the sidebar, control, playback, and enjoy your music while browsing. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.